Hey my beautiful friends, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to share with you a quick clean up video with me. I'm going to set up my homeschool room for tomorrow. So today is Sunday and you're going to see me set up my homeschool room, how I set it up for Monday. I normally do this on Sunday or Saturday depending on how busy my weekend is, either or. So today's a Sunday. I'm going to share with you just kind of how I pick up. It's really very messy right now. And I'm also going to be setting up the boys' tables for tomorrow. So stay tuned.